So now the snow's mostly melted, and I spent hours, I'm not sure how many, but many, last night and technically this morning, working on the last bit of code and then having a couple technical issues with my host, which I just resolved with online chat with one of their support people, and now the site's up, so I don't want to look at any part of the internet that's aware of it. The work I had to do last night was getting the gallery of images set up for all the pictures I had taken of the inventory. That took a while to get it the way I wanted to. I ended up having to add another page to the site because it was easier than adding it into an existing one, just for look and flow. Right now, it hates me, specifically the JPEG of my face that I use on social media and whatnot with the buzzed hair. So that's not on the site at the moment until I figure out why. Because originally it was also having issue with my CSS, because even though it was given proper directions, it couldn't manage that, but it's in a folder instead of right next to me in the same one. But that resolved pretty quickly. I'm still not sure what I think of some pieces, which is why I've sent out the call for feedback from my gamer nerds, my existing customers, my target audience, to see what they think and if there's anything that they would also want to know or see, or I don't know. That's why I'm asking them, because I have very specific ideas of what should be there and how I want it to be there, whether or not it looks quite the way I want it to. I've got the framework there and acceptably laid out, but the perfect is the enemy of the good, and if I waited to have it perfect, it would never go live. And the way I've got it now is good enough. And while I want that feedback and need it to actually make the site do what it's supposed to eventually when I get around to it, that doesn't make me any less tentative about actually getting that feedback. At least I can make updates and corrections quickly thanks to FTP. Now I'm going to go distract myself from it being a thing that exists on the internet where other people can see it.